Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT RC questions. Here in this particular case, we've got a CAT 2018 RC and a question based on it. Before you go through this particular question, I would request you to go through the passage analysis video. That's going to help you greatly understand this question as well as the overall context of the passage. Now let's study the question at hand. What does it specifically state? Which one of the following best describes the author's argument? And then we are given these different theories that the author has talked about in the passage: Darwin's, Mendel's theory, Wilson's theory, Darwin's theory. So that's what he's talked about. Now you've got to understand the general theme of the passage here. The general theme and main idea of the passage is the author is actually talking about epigenetic inheritance, and he's trying to showcase to us that the supposed explanation of natural selection and the supposed theory of Mendel's, right? Mendel's theory, which has been used to explain how genes are inherited, these two are actually not valid, right? Or in fact, these are not completely valid. There are issues with these. We cannot assume that Darwin's theory of natural selection and Mendel's theory of inheritance are what are guiding the development of genes or the acquisition of characteristics. The author goes on to state that there is epigenetic inheritance and other such human and cultural factors which are in fact impacting the inheritance of genes in individual species, right? So that is what is happening, and that is what has been explained by the author of the passage. The author of the passage also explains that Wilson's theory of holding the human culture is held on by a genetic leash. He goes on to state that this metaphor needs revision. So the author of the passage does not even agree with Wilson's theory. So the author of the passage does not agree with Wilson's theory. He does not agree with Darwin's theory of natural selection. He does not agree with Mendel's theory of inheritance. He has issues with all of these, and he believes that we need revision in all these existing theories. Would he agree with option number A? Darwin's and Mendel's theories together best explain evolution? He will not. He goes against this. Mendel's theory of inheritance is unfairly underestimated in explaining evolution. He in fact treats Mendel's theory and Darwin's theories at par. There is no differentiation itself. And both these theories are rejected, hence ruled out. Wilson's theory of evolution is scientifically superior to either Darwin's or Mendel's. In fact, he discards Wilson's theories as well. There is no superiority. Each of these options is ruled out. Darwin's theory of natural selection cannot fully explain evolution. Perfectly fits in. You can actually add Wilson's and Mendel's theories also don't fully explain evolution. Hence, this is the valid answer choice. Option number D is the correct answer. This is how you evaluate this particular question. If you understood the subtext of the passage, if you understood what the author is saying, you would have been able to answer this question. But understanding the passage is very important. Make sure you go through the passage analysis video. You'll get much better clarity with respect to the passage. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.